Hello guys, review tablet Lenovo Tab P11 with Precision Pen 2. This second generation of this tablet. We have version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, open box. Look compactation. Device. And in compactation we have key for SIM slot. On this, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. And this we have Precision Pen 2. Okay, now talk about device. We have 11.5-inch display on the back side, main camera on this side, power port for Type-C for charging, headphones jack, speakers on this side, second speakers, downside dock station connector, and on this side warm buttons and slot. Okay. Turn on device, we have Full HD Plus resolution IPS display. Open settings, system, about tablet, 12 Android. Okay, look onto the benchmark results. We have CPU MediaTek Helio G99 and perfect results in onto the benchmark. Run GTA San Andreas.
My wife up and left me stand here.
Game works very good. Okay. Close this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.